Yeah, so basically, if you have been searching for a kind of videos on how you can get started on Contra as a freelancer, so in this video, we're going to be discussing about how to create a Contra freelancing account and how Contra actually works. So, firstly, we'll be creating a Contra account where I'll show you how you can create a Contra account. Then maybe we should briefly discuss about how Contra actually works. So Contra is just a platform, something like Fiverr, but definitely different from Fiverr platform. So and as well, buyers can come on Contra platform to hire a professional who can actually get their project done. So and the way Contra is kind of like different from how Fiverr or Upwork works. So on Contra, you can set up your profile just like a portfolio or having a LinkedIn account. Then you can set up a gig or a service where people can hire you through the service. And of course, there are different ways in which you can charge such buyer. So you can charge based on project, you can charge based on hourly rate, and of course you can offer a custom offer based on the package or based on the kind of project that the buyer needed from you. So here you'll be proceeding on setting up a Contra account. So and from there we'll be showing you or we'll be walking through how Contra actually works. So firstly, this is contra.com, and you can click on get started here to set up your Contra account. So this will direct me to where I should put my email. So this is my email, Matt also at, then I'll click on sign up here. So they already sent me an email, so I have to check the email, then input the code here. Okay, so I have, sorry, G K V G P. Okay, so that's the verification code. Okay, code was successfully verified. So here you input your profile picture. So I recommend you use your profile picture showing your face. Then you put your first name, last name, your location, then your profession, which the kind of service you want to be rendering on Contra platform. Maybe you are YouTube expert, or copywriter, or anything. You can just input it there. Then you input three keywords that are related to your skill. Here, like maybe digital marketing. So you can see here I can select three skills from here, then I'll click on next to the next page. So after clicking on the next, you brought up to your profile page where you can set up your profile. And as you can see here, this is a profile which I just set up on Contra platform, and as you can see, this is intermediate with the profile length strength, sorry. So then you can see here projects, so I can add as many as possible the kind of projects that I've done for some buyers in the past. So create your first project here. And also you can see services here as well. So you can add a service that you want to render on Contra platform. So like I just said earlier on, so these are the three keywords, skills related to the kind of service I want to render on Contra platform. So as well, this is my bio, So this is kind of service I want to render. So this is a little details which I can impute, as you can see here. So these are the 3 keywords here. So you can impute as much as 240 characters on your bio, and you can link up to like 5 or 7 social media platforms. So I just linked 3 platforms on this profile. So that is that. So I'll go back to profile. Then you can see here, this is my professions, so YouTube expert and copywriter. So, and if I want to add projects to my profile, so I'll go through this page, and if I want to add a service, so I'll go through this page and click on create your first service. So I'll impute the kind of service I want to offer here on this title. So if you work on Fiverr platform, so you understand more about this, just like creating a gig. And this is fee types. So we have 3 types of fee types. So contact for pricing, so a buyer will contact you for a pricing. Then this is a fixed price, whereby you offer a fixed price about your service, and this is a rate, maybe you charge based on hourly rate if you work on Upwork, so you understand more about rate. So this is 3 options where you can choose anyone you like from there, and if you offer a fixed rate, so you can just choose your rate here where it will be fixed, and then the buyer will purchase your service if that resonates to the kind of service they want, or if the price resonates with what they have in budget for the kind of project they have. So then after that, you can just click on publish here. So then you publish your service, then you have something like a page like this. So these are the projects that this person have done so far, and these are the services she is rendering on Contra platform. So as you can see here, this is a fixed price. So the social access branding package, the pioneer branding package, the entrepreneur branding package. So these are fixed price. So let's check to see and fill the details what each package entails. So as you can see here, a comprehensive virtual identity system, from strategic creative directions to logo, supporting visual elements such as color systems, typography suits, patterns, brand guidelines, and supporting social collateral to bring your brand to life. So these are what the package entails, sorry, which if you pay $3,750, you'll be getting all these features. So as you can see here, so then you can click on get in touch here once you agree to this price, as you can see here. So that is how everything works. So that's how everything works on Contra platform. So, and as you can see here, this is another profile, and this is services. So this person charge based on hourly. So as you can see here, this is Oluwa Sheyi Oluwa Dare. So he charged $45 per hour. So for web development, he charged based on contract. So as you can see here, so you understand all the 3 differences about the fee on contract. So this is hourly, this is contract, and on this Sally Dimelo, so she charged based on fixed price. So, and this is another profile as well. Let's see how he charged. So he charged based on fixed price for brand strategy. So, and if you want to work with him, so you just click on the edge. So that is exactly how a buyer will also see your own profile once you set up your profile on Contra platform. So And as you can see here, this is where they showcase different kind of freelancers in different industries. So as you can see here, this is founder and CEO, sorry, from Dubai, UAE, and this is brand strategist from LA. This is Natalia Lollis from Puerto Rico, so she is a copywriter. So you can see here they are offering different services. And this is Oluwaseyi, front-end engineer. This is Julie from designer from Spain, sorry, a designer. So this is Miracle Oluwatunji from USA, freelance writer and speaker as well. So this is Anna Mitra Jana, so virtual designer from India. This is Christina from Canada, so she is digital business manager. And this is Haman Walia, a senior product manager from Canada. So as you can see here, these are freelancers offering different kind of services on the Contra platform. And also, if a buyer wants to hire, so if you've been thinking of how you can get hired on Contra platform, so if a freelancer wants to hire, so they'll come to Contra platform and click on hire here. So once they click on hire, they will be able to find, discover talent in the kind of industry which or where they are looking for a professions. So as you can see here, this is design category, this is engineering category, this is social media and marketing category, this is video animation, web3, maybe web development, and this is writing platforms. So these are the kind of categories where the buyers will look into before they select the kind of person they want to hire. So I'll click on social media and marketing so we can be able to see different freelancers from there. So here, what types of social media or marketing apps do you need? So growth marketing, paid social media, SEO strategy, social content creation, social media management, and then social media strategy. So buyer can be able to choose the kind of categories they want to look into, just the way it was on Fiverr platform. So let's say for instance I choose social media strategy. Okay, let me choose social media management, then I'll click on next here. So this is well detailed, so the buyers will be able to choose the right freelancers for them. So if they want someone for just one-time project, ongoing project, and if they are not sure of if they want long-time project or just one-time project, so they'll click on here. But if they want one-time project, just someone that can quickly do something for them for just maybe 1 month, then they can just click on one-time project here, then they will click on next here. So here is the detailed. So it's kind of like a one-time project, and of course they can choose their budget range, whereby this Contra platform will be able to choose the right freelancer for them with their budget range. So let's say for instance I choose $500. Oh sorry, $500. So I'll click on next here. So opportunity details: the clearer the requirement provided, the better we can get you the quality match. So that's what I just made mention. So if I choose my company name here, Matt Ozu, sorry, so we have YouTube channel looking for a professional to manage our social media platform and create content for us. So that's it. Then I'll click on all set here. So basically the the company name is not founded. So as you can see here, you'll see that there are some companies that popped up, so which might relate to the kind of platform company I want to choose. But due to the fact that I'm just trying to use this so that I can understand how a buyer found you on the platform. So, and I think you understand in details on how a buyer can found you on Contra platform and also get you hired on Contra platform. So this way you can be able to get your projects or get orders or get jobs on Contra platform. So I hope you understand very well on how Contra actually works and how you can get hired on Contra platform. It's not just by creating your profile alone, but also creating a services page where buyer can order or contact you, just like this Oluwa Sheyi or Shale or I don't know how to pronounce it, Usoara or something like that, and also some other freelancers as well. So that is how you can set up a profile on Contra platform, and I hope this video help you and also answer your questions that you have been searching for on about Contra platform. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.